you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. As you can see, I am doing very great. Today, guys, I will be teaching you how to make chin chin. So guys, those are the ingredients I am going to use to make the chin chin. So let me show you one by one. Here I have flour. Here I have groundnut oil. Here I have 1 cup of milk. Here I have egg, 4 eggs. Here I have nutmeg. Here I have salt. Here I have baking powder. Here I have sugar. Here I have butter. So guys, those are the ingredients and we'll be using to make the chin chin. So follow me, guys. Let's get started. Okay, guys. First of all, I have to break the egg. So now I have to turn it. Here I'm putting milk now. Here, milk. Sugar. I have to get turning until the sugar is melt. Okay, guys, I will be adding salt now. This is salt. I have to mix it with it. So I have to turn it. I mix everything already. I mix this egg and salt, sugar inside here. Everything is mixed already. Now I have to milk. Everything is mixed together. So now I have to put it in the flour. Stay tuned, guys. Yeah, it's nutmeg and flour, baking powder. Now I will put it inside the flour. Mix it together before adding milk inside, before adding the egg and everything I mixed before. So you have to mix the baking powder and the nutmeg inside. Okay, guys, now I will be putting butter inside to mix together. Yeah, I have to mix, continue mixing until everything is mixed together. Okay, guys, I have mixed with the butter. It's not, I don't use so much butter on the chin chin because it's only buns. Because when it's too much, it's not good. So now I mix it already with butter. I have to mix with the milk and egg, salt, sugar, the one I mixed before. So I have to put it inside so that I will mix everything together. Okay, now I'm putting everything inside here now to mix it. Okay, well guys, I've mixed everything together. You see how I mixed it came out? It came out very nice. Now I have to cover it for at least 20 minutes so that it will rise and relax. See you guys later. Okay guys, it's 20 minutes. You have to remove everything now. You have to remove it, cover. Now I have to start cutting the flour. Now I have to put powder. Okay guys, now I put the flour on the floor because I need flour to cut the chin-chin. So I have to let a lot so that when you are mixing it after cutting, the flour will be inside. Okay guys, I have to cut now. I'm starting to cut here. I have to put this here. Bring the rolling. Now you have to use the flour to rub the body. Then start rolling it. This chin-chin is not a easy work, you know. This is the work of chin-chin. Now I have to do everything like this until I cut everything. Okay guys, now I'm starting to cut it. So you know this flour I put down before, this is where I put it. So you have to add it. After cutting it, you have to put the flour like this, so that when you are cutting the other one, you cut the other one and it will not gum together because you had the flour inside. So you put it like this. You see it? You see how it look like now because the flour is inside. So you have to cut another one and put flour. This is the work of chin-chin. You had flour and put it down, and you see it, and cut another one. Add flour, and here we are. Okay guys, now we start cutting it. You have to cut. You see how I'm using this big knife because it's more comfortable for me. The small one I don't like it, so I'm comfortable with the big knife. You see, this is how I will cut everything today. Just start. You can use any knife of your choice, oh guys, because this is how I want it. I like this big knife when I'm using it. It's very flowing. So you yourself, you can use any knife of your choice. Okay guys, now I cut the first one. You have to mix it with the flour and let the flour to get inside, so that when you are frying it, they will not gum together. So see how I'm doing it now? You see it? Oh my god, this my chin-chin will be delicious. This is the first one. I just filter everything. Now you have to do it and let the flour get outside. You see it? Make sure the flour will not come out again, because if not, when you are frying it, it will be foamy. When there is flour on it, if you are frying it, it will be foamy and it's not good. You have to filter it very, very well and let everything out. You see it? See what I mean? It's still coming out small until everything is out. You see it? Everything is out. You see it? Okay guys, this is my cutting. I got it already now. Now we have to fry the chin-chin. So we have to fry it now. This is my oil, the one I'm going to use. This is the oil is in the fire already. So I have to let the oil done before I put the chin-chin. Okay guys, this is the first one. Immediately you have to turn it immediately. If not, everything will come together. You have to scatter it all thin. Now I load the gas because if not, the chin-chin will get burned. So you have to turn it until you scatter everything. So I've turned it already. Now I have to give a little bit space. Later I have to turn it again. You see it? Now this is the first one. I will be removing it now. Okay guys, I have to remove it now. See the outcoming of the chin-chin. See you later guys. I will be showing you the result of my chin-chin later. Okay guys, you see the outcoming of my chin-chin. Oh my god, you see how it look like? It's so beautiful. We have a nice taste. Oh my god, see outcoming of my chin-chin. Very sweet. Oh my god. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. See you for my next video. Bye.